All right, all right, all right. Good Wednesday morning. Another rainy morning. But the good news is we got that coffee brewed. And I'm ready to take a look at the markets. Just woke up, so we're doing this on the fly. Well, I woke up, did my things. I'm attending to my ducks, my young chicks. So we'll figure this out as we go along, right? Let's take a quick look at the news. There we go. There's the news. The reports today. We got mortgages coming in at 7. We're looking at the ADP employment change. That'll give us some insight into what the non-farm will look like at the end of the week. I'm expecting choppy trading, but hey, when am I not expecting choppy trading? So exports, imports, PMIs at 8:30. Lots of stuff before the market, give us some direction. The only thing that'll get in our way for trading, which is going to be significant, will be the PMI reports, and then the ISM reports. And then 10:30, you're looking at oil. So I don't know, man. Got to take it easy first thing in the morning today. And then towards the end of the week, we got initial jobless claims and non-farm. So yeah, I'm going to choose my battles. All right, that said, let's take a quick look at the markets and see what we got going on. So we're going to look at this daily at the end of the day, man. If we consolidate, don't make any big moves, that could be a classic bull flag right there. But we'll keep an eye on that. The 240s, right now I'm just neutral. It went into consolidation. It's trading back a little bit. Might get a last kiss. So I'm just neutral right now on the market. There's no setup or anything I'm looking at. Take a quick look at the 30-minute. Yeah, we got nothing really going on. You could watch for a break of that low. I'm not going to trade it pre-market, though. Yep, I'm just neutral there. Let's take a look at BTC. BTC is probably behaving relatively the same. Yeah, the pattern's relatively the same. So we consolidated a little bit. I'm going to hang neutral, watch what it does, really get my bearings. We just popped out of this high, really. If you needed some direction, I'd say just tend to be bullish. I like that right there. Tend to be bullish above this line is what I'm thinking. That's over the long term, but for the day right now, I'm just neutral. See how it lays out. Just too many reports out there. Yeah, we're just going into a consolidation. It's not really a big deal. We're not giving back what we made yesterday. But the day is young. Looking at oil. Oil is moving up. Could be putting in another daily flag. Consolidating right here. You got the reports later on, which is going to affect it. So I'm neutral or bullish on oil. Feeling kind of heavy on the 30-minute. Stay neutral, bullish on oil. Gasoline. Look, everything's putting in that flag. Everything looks the same. So, yeah, you know what? The reports are important. The Fed is a big factor. On the daily, we're just gonna have to say we're bullish, right? Trending up right now. We could put that line in right here, similar to the Bitcoin. Say we're bullish up to that line. We're just gonna have to watch the dailies. The 240. It's obviously on an uptrend, but it's looking a little heavy. We'll watch for a double top there. Overall, I'm bullish on gasoline, nat gas, And the Germans are bitching now about the gas prices, saying we're keeping them too high. It's a supply and demand issue, and Trump was telling you, man, you'd be in this fucking position, but hey, nobody wants to listen to Trump because he grabs vaginas. That's important. So now Germany wants us to pay for their mistakes, which, you know what, I appreciate the support. You know, they're champions of democracy. I could respect that, and we should make some consignments. But there's no reason why our companies shouldn't make money because they were smarter than the European Union. And, you know, that's what it comes down to. I mean, they were warned. The European Union was warned that they were at risk of this. And, again, you know, Trump was accused of being a nationalist and all this shit. So... anyway, so I digress, eh? All right. Yeah, you know what? Just based on geopolitical issues, I'd start hedging my position here, but I'd be bearish. I do believe that there is going to be some political influence to bring this market down. So fundamentally, overall, I'd have to be rather bearish on this. Did I say bearish before? It's early in the morning. But that 240, still grinding down, making lower lows. Might come into a consolidation around here. Yeah, maybe we'll see it in the 5s. That'd be reasonable. It doesn't really look like a bad number. Yeah, 5 or 6s. Hey, learn from your mistakes, Europe. We should be supportive, but we're not your uncle. All right, so bonds. Looking at bonds. Let's just look at the 240. Oh, yeah, they came down a little bit. Little bit. Overnight. But still in an uptrend. I'm going to neutral. I think we're going to head into a consolidation pattern right here. I'm neutral on everything. I think we got to get NonFarm out of the way before we get a good idea. Keeping an eye on gold. Gold. Oh, that's a monthly. I'm looking at it. I'm like, why is this thing say down and it's up? There we go. Well, you know, over the long term, I like gold, and I think you should be chipping away at it. Right now, I don't see anything that excites me. I think I think everything's going to run into a consolidation pattern. We're really going to have to see what these reports hold and get past this. I'm feeling a block. Feeling a slight block. I'm sure Amazon looks the same. Yeah, Amazon's actually probably, for the day, I'd be bullish. I'd be bearish. Looks like it's going to end up filling that gap right there. That's cool. It'll drag the markets down. Markets get a little breath, get ready to run. Tesla. Well, Elon's back at Twitter again. It's probably going to affect Tesla. Looks like a consolidation in here. I don't think I'd make a move until it hits a high or a low. Microsoft, if it breaks yesterday's low today, it'll probably end up closing that gap. And I'm thinking that most of these equities are looking at the same thing. Yeah, that's it. Trying to get into this SH. This is a short on the S&P for a long term. I mean, obviously we're trading the directionals, making the money, but this ETF is good to just ride it down to 36. I mean 33, I'm sorry. Gold, if you want to chip away at gold, this is the ETF to chip away at gold. And looks like it's putting in a little double top. So maybe we can see a nice retrace. Look for this thing around 50, 58.50, 158.50. No, we're right there. Look at that, off $2 today. That'd be a good buy. Take a little piece because you got this gap down here, and we may revisit that 152. Intel. You know what? I think we're going to be buying a lot of shit a lot cheaper. Taiwan Semiconductors. I'm watching that, and everybody's talking about their future, but you know, with Russia looming over them, I'm not too comfortable, man. I mean, if we go at it with Russia, not Russia, China, oh my God, I'm really off today. If we go at it with China, that's when I'd be interested in buying this thing and banking on the outcome of, you know, Taiwan and U.S. prosper. But up until that, way too much risk for me. Looks like it's putting in the top too. So Samsung is what I'm looking at, but it's an ADR, so you may not be able to get involved with it. But I think Samsung is the target stock for semiconductors if you're interested in it. All right, so anyway, this is a hangout. Hey, so if you want to hang out, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Join me today at 9 o'clock. We get some trades in. We got a little trade off yesterday. It was a little bit choppy. I know there was a nice move. The afternoon paid off, but I'm talking about what we did during the day, during the morning. So we got a little trade off. It was no big deal. The markets were giving a lot of overbought indications too. You know, it's a real problem for me when we open up 50 points. You know, just to take that further bull move. I mean, that's not an orderly market. You know, so it's really hard to figure. It's not behaving how it should. So anything could happen, and I tend to avoid that. So yeah, but anyway, it was a plus day, and I guess that beats a poke in the eye. But let's see what we could do today. So join me at 9 o'clock. Get ready for a little trading. Make a little bit of money together. And I'll catch you guys later.